Kaiser Elementary School second grade teacher. Kaiser is a California Distinguished School and a president-elect of OEA. I want to thank our bargaining team. They are a team that's coming together to go forward, and I'm proud to go forward with them. It's in neither of our interests to continue without a settled contract. The indignity of imposition must be lifted from the OEA members. And the aura of mistrust that permeates every aspect of OUSD needs to be dispersed if we are truly to move forward in any meaningful way. The OEA bargaining team has presented a reasonable path forward. It's my hope that the board will look at this as a positive step and moving forward to settle this contract. But I have real concern that while the teachers propose to give students with special needs increased individualized attention through lower class size, the district just yesterday has proposed to increase class size for special ed students because of an adult's budget miscalculation that is now put on the backs of our students. That is unacceptable. That is too diverse and divergent views of how we should approach and run and go forward in this district. However, all teachers are at heart optimists. Every day, we say it's a new day. Every school year, we say it's a new school year. No matter how hard the previous one was, no matter how a particular child might have worked your nerves one day, the next day is always a new day. Next year will be a new year. I don't know if it bodes for anything, but this morning I couldn't get the words. The sun will come out tomorrow from out of my head. I don't know why that was going through my head, but I hope it means that it's a positive day ahead.